again. Let me talk in this video about packages. So before I start talking about package, let's select this class, which is simple class constructor. If you look through this class, we already built this class. Name it car with constructor, have number of properties, have constructor, two constructor, and have two methods. And here we call this, like, we create an instance from the class, we initialize the constructor, we send some method, and now when you run it, you just simple class and create and calling methods. This is how we could work with a class in same file. That means we define the class here and we call it the method of that class. And we learned how this one works. Like, hey, class in my file, it's really easy to call it. But let me think about another thing. What if I want to call this methods or this class from other file in same package? I mean same package, all these files are in same package. So if I just create a new Kotlin class, I will name it call package, okay? And this class, if just I create copy from this one, just from the main method, I just copy it, I add it here, okay? And now if I run it, he will really easy for him to understand this car class, some class that already been in my package. Then he will, because it is in my package, he will go and look in my package for this class and he give me same result. See, same result. Even if the package is not defined in this file, but if I click command and button, or I click control, command and like mouse with Mac, or control with mouse in Windows, and just go here, he will take me to that file. So that's mean, hey, I know what you are calling, what you want. You want to call this class, just a great instance, and I'm working fine because they are in the same package. But one thing you have to know, when your project grow and you have too many files, all your files will not live in same package. You will create more packages. So let me just create one package here. I just name it package. And let me give it name. I name it com.example. Let me suppose Hussein. Okay, just I name this package, or I could give it name com.example.cars. Okay, com.example.cars. So this is package. Now let me create one class inside it. So I will create class Kotlin file inside it. Okay, and I will name it KT. Let me name it this file. Name it main class. Okay, inside this. So now I have a package, and this package have main class. If you see here, he import something named package com.example.car. That's mean, hey, this package this class will be inside this package, and that's right because I'm in the package named com.example.car. Let me just create a class. Okay, class, and I will name it my car. Okay, and this class have only one method. Name it fun, like show info, just showing info. And just this class is just a printing BMW is a new car. Okay, very basic thing. Simple class, simple package. So think about, I have this class and I want to call it from this class inside this package, if you see it, and this one from other package. So this one is in package and I'm in different package. So now if I just try to do the same main, I have it now. If I just try to create instance from my class, okay, and I say, oh cool, my class, he will not able to know what I mean. He say, hey, what do you mean? This my class is not, I cannot resolve it. This my class is not something in your package. It is not another place. So if you click here, and so what you have to do, you have to import that package. You just say import for, then the name of the package, which is C, the package name, com.example.cars. You say com.example.cars. When you import this package, you will be able to, you say dot the class name. Okay, so you import com.example.cars. This is the package name. Then you write dots the class that you call it. What's the class here name? It name it my car. You give it name my car. So he was able to call it. Now you could get instance from your car, my car, and it's really easy for you just to say dot and you show info, and when you print it, he will really easy for him to print the information for the car. So the idea here, when you go to Android, you will see many packages and package call another package. So whenever you want to call any package, you say import for that package and the class name of that package. If you have too many classes in that package, just think about you have another file, name it here, name it, for example, test.kt, whatever, and more you have there. So you don't want to give it the class name. When you call it here, you will not give it a class name. So because I need to import two classes, it's not good to say import class 1, import class 2. Just dot star. That means import everything inside that package. When you add dot star, that means everything inside that package. See, he was able to show me info. So here we're done. Thank you for watching. See you next.